Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best sliding compound miter saw on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Makita Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Makita LS1019L10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw with Laser is a commercial quality miter saw that provides accurate cuts every time. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, the LS1019L Makita Sliding Compound Miter Saw crosscuts and miters at a maximum cutting capacity of 2/1/8. This dual bevel compound miter saw enables users to make miter, bevel and compound cuts in a wide range of materials including tile, natural stone, man-made stone, brick and more. It's a cutting machine that delivers powerful precision and accuracy using the latest motor technology, proven durability, and best-in-class ergonomics. The LS1019L is engineered to produce incredible cuts using true bevel functionality and a massive 10-blade. The aluminum base plate and sliding extensions deliver smooth, perfectly accurate cuts, while the laser guide and quick return stop ensure accurate positioning. A high-resolution LCD displays cutting information in the language you need to set the perfect cut. The LS1019L will excel at any miter, bevel, or compound crosscut application, and with added capacities for crown moldings, it's a perfect fit for any job. Number 4. DEWALT Sliding Compound Miter Saw. DEWALT has been designing and manufacturing innovative tools for the hardest jobs on Earth for over 100 years. Number 4. DEWALT Sliding Compound Miter Saw. DEWALT has been designing and manufacturing innovative tools for the hardest jobs on Earth for over 100 years. The DEWALT DWS716 is a 15-amp, 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw. This easy-to-use sliding compound miter saw has a 15-amp motor that produces a 3,450 RPM no-load speed for precise cutting. The bevel capacity is 0 to 48 degrees. There is a dual rack and pinion fence system that can be used to achieve a precise and accurate cut. The DEWALT DWS716 has a large, comfortable handle that allows precise movement on a variety of workpieces. The miter saw has a dust collection system that helps reduce the chance of kickback and improves the performance of the blade. This DEWALT sliding miter saw also has a 0 to 50 degrees bevel range, a 15-amp motor, an aluminum large fence and a large rail system with a quick release lever. The dust collection bag and dust collection port enable dust collection for cleaner, more accurate cuts. The built-in laser makes it easy to mark and cut straight lines. This DEWALT miter saw weighs just 66 pounds, making it easy to transport from one job site to another. Number 3. Metabo HPT Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Metabo HPT 15-amp 12-inch sliding compound miter saw with laser marker. The Metabo HPT sliding compound miter saw has all the standard features that you would expect from a quality miter saw. But there are 2 features that really set this miter saw apart from the rest. The first is the 12 swing. It's the largest of its kind. With this larger swing you will find it easier to make those longer cuts with more precision. You will also have the added benefit of reduced blade vibration. That means less blade drift, which can lead to cleaner cuts. The second feature that sets this miter saw apart is the laser marker. You have probably never seen a laser marker on a miter saw before. But it is by far the best feature on this saw. In the past you would have to guess where the cut was supposed to be. Now you will be able to see that cut right where you want it. With this feature you can make repeatable cuts with ease. The miter saw has a soft start feature that ensures that the motor starts and runs smoothly. It also features a spindle lock that makes it easier to change the blade. This product's laser marker helps you easily align cuts, and it has a sawing angle range of 0 degrees 48 degrees. This saw can handle sawing materials with a thickness of up to 25 mm. Number 2. Skil Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Skil 10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw with Laser MS630500 is designed for the do-it-yourselfer who needs a well-made and sturdy piece of equipment to complete precision jobs in the comfort of their home or workshop. It comes with a wide array of useful features, including a lightweight and easy-to-maneuver design, high-torque motor, easy-to-read laser guide, cast aluminium fence and bevel stops, a large base plate measuring 12 3/4 x 12 3/8, and an excellent dust collection system. The built-in laser helps to guide you through your cuts with pinpoint accuracy. This tool was built to last. This sliding compound miter saw comes with a laser guide, dust blower, dust bag, electric brake and miter detent override. The bevel angle range is 0 to 47 degrees to the right and 0 to 47 degrees to the left. This Skil 10 dual bevel compound sliding miter saw comes with a 12-inch compound miter detent blade, miter detent override, guard with riving knife, laser guide, dust bag, laser guard, dust blower, toolless bevel stops, miter detent override tool, miter detent override tool, miter detent override wrench, bevel adjustment wrench and parallel guide. Number 1. BOSCH sliding compound miter saw. The BOSCH GCM12SD has an ergonomic sliding mechanism that easily locks into place. The dual bevel system allows you to adjust your cutting angle between -1/4 degrees and 48 degrees. The saw measures 15 inches wide and weighs 31 pounds. The BOSCH GCM12SD uses a 15-amp motor for power and has a blade depth of 3/1/8 inches and a bevel capacity of 48 degrees to the left and 60 degrees to the right. The sliding compound miter saw has one of the largest capacities of all sliding miter saws. The saw is easy to operate and comes with a 60-tooth saw blade. The blade runs on dual ball bearings, which run fast and cut accurate. This miter saw's dual bevel feature allows you to configure the saw from 0 to 48 degrees for increased versatility. Its sliding function enables you to cut accurate angles quickly, producing miter and bevel cuts up to 48 degrees with 0.5 degree increments. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.